I hope you're having a great day. So it's another beautiful day today, and I need to get all my plants outside to get them hardening off. A lot of them, I have a lot more than I used to. I did leave these out last night because they're perennials that I didn't think the deer or anything would mess with, but the ones that need to go inside the electric fence, I do run in every night since I'm not here. I don't want the deer to come up and just mow down one of my trays. So I'm gonna get that done, and then tomorrow's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I have a great mother, so of course, even though I ran out of tulip bouquets, I have enough that I am going to make my mom a tulip bouquet for Mother's Day, and then I usually plant her planters up, so that's usually what I do on Mother's Day. So I'm going to get those tulips cleaned and then get them put together and in the cooler so they're ready. And then, I need to start digging up plants and relocating them so that I can get all of these in the ground, because these have been outside plenty to get in the ground, and all the other trays have only been in the sun for one day, and it's reaching 90 next week and it's 70 today, and I don't feel comfortable just putting seeds straight from the grow lights out into a field where they get that much sun. So I'm going to keep hardening them off in their trays. There's a bunch of them on day 2. There's a bunch of them on day 4. Those could probably go in the field, but I'll wait maybe one more day for that. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna get to it. Isn't that vase so cute? It looks like tulips. I love it. Okay, so a bunch of my celosia did not germinate, and while it's not a good thing to put it in the field because it needs sunlight to germinate, I have some extra seeds, so I'm going to try it. It takes so long to flower, I hope I just get lucky. But I'm going to go ahead and try to put some in the ground. Okay, now I have a note that I can direct seed jewels of Opar. I do have trays at home, but I'm just going to go ahead and direct seed my 20-foot section, and then I'll just fill it in with whatever's missing, just because I haven't done it before. So I want to see how the seeds do, and if they don't do well, then I'll just put my trays in. I don't want these hollyhocks in this row. I just want this to be an entire row of yarrow. So I'm just digging up some of the hollyhocks. I'm going to relocate them. They might not even take, and that's okay because they're not really anything that I can sell or do anything with. I tried last year, but they didn't really do anything for me. So I'm going to take them out, fill this with yarrow, and then maybe move these. And then this row will be done pretty much. Oh my goodness, look at this big, beautiful, it's so soft, thing of yarrow. I love it. Okay, I got those hollyhocks dug out of there, so I think I'm gonna go try to find somewhere to put them real quick. I mean, it'd be cool if they made it. I really like them, and the bees really like them, but I really want to just fill this up with yarrow the best I can, so I'm glad those are out of there. One step done. I have to move all that lavender over there too. It's too close together. That's going to be a chore. Okay, so I'm going to work a little backwards because this is the new yarrow right here, and I'm just going to go that way and then put my tags in. So I'm just going to get to it. I'm going to drill out the holes a little bit just because it is getting drier, and I think it'll be easier. I don't know. Maybe the butter knife's easier. I'm just going to try it. Put a few blackberry lilies in there. Took out some of the weeds. We'll see. So I think that was a productive day. I got a lot of stuff in the ground. I think about 600 square feet of seeds planted, and then my yarrow. I'm almost done. It looks like I need about 80 more, and I started 2 trays. And I did notice some of the holes, some of the yarrow didn't make it, so I can go back and just kind of fill in the holes. And I would guess like in a year or two, I'll have a complete row of yarrow. I might be able to take out the black that's in there and just let it be a straight row of yarrow, and then put some kind of pathway, something down just so that there's a pathway. Or maybe I can mow the pathway, who knows. But that is exciting. I did plant a few blackberry lilies. There's just this little, it's an old flower bed, but nothing grows in it but weeds. So I just took my drill and drilled around all the weeds, and then I just stuck lilies in. So we'll see how they do right there. I don't know. I have a whole tray of them. I have so many of them, and I've been just sticking them in different spots. So that's awesome. I think it is supposed to rain tomorrow. I hope it just lightly rains and just gets everything wet. I did notice some of the soil was still really wet, but some of it was really dry, so my plants could use a big drink. And then the asparagus is coming up at the farm. It looks really cool. So there it is. It looks amazing. I cut a little bit of it last year, and it seems to have done really well this year. There's some, it looks like bluebells. I don't know what those are actually. Growing up with it, they're pretty. But yeah, it looks like where I cut it, it did better. So maybe that's the key. And it's kind of cleaned out. It does need weeded. I kind of weeded it last year. I should probably go around and weed it again. But it's looking really good, and it's really tasty. It's been here for a long time. So it's exciting to see that it's coming back. We'll see how it does over the years. I think like you have to always leave a few stalks. Like from what I read, like you can cut, like if there's a patch of 3, you can cut 1. If there's like a patch of 5, you can cut like 3. But you always want to leave like a couple stalks when you cut it. But yeah, it's really thick. It's really good. We've eaten it. But anyway, I better get going. I had a really productive day today. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. I hope everybody is having a great day, and I hope all your flowers are starting to bloom. This is a really old patch of garlic too. I keep thinking I need to like just dig up a bulb and try it, because we love garlic and I bet it is phenomenal. This is the greenhouse someday. That might have to be a winter project. It's been getting busy. I love it. I think that's it for this video. I hope everybody has a fantastic Mother's Day, and I hope to see you in the next one.